Hey guys, my name is Shannon. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NEWYES Whiteboard Notebook. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video, what is on Mondays and Thursdays. I also would like to say a huge thanks to NEWYES for sending out the product to me, but other than that, let's get started. So taking a look at the Dry Erase Memo Notebook by NEWYES, it is a complete whiteboard notebook that you can use for taking notes, at meetings, have a shopping or a grocery list for whatever your needs is, and practically do whatever you want, including drawing. Now in the box itself, you do get two dry erase markers, one pink and one black, and it does have an eraser on the top of both, but you can use any dry erase marker that you can pick up at any store. The only thing is that the gray one that I did go ahead and get was actually dried out completely, so I wasn't actually able to go ahead and use that. So this may depend on your usage, but to be completely honest, you do get two, and you can always replace it with any sort of dry erase marker that you can go ahead and pick up. The next thing you do go ahead and get is some page indicators and sticky notes that you can use at any point to mark down little important parts in your little notebook. Now it also comes with a NEWYES microfiber cloth where you can go ahead and clean off cleanly, whether it's a wet or dry cloth, and just to simply go ahead and erase the whiteboard itself. The next thing you do go ahead and get is the notebook itself. Now before every single page, it does have a page protection sheet, so you don't actually smudge any of your drawings, writings, or whatever in this notebook. The notebook itself has 5 whiteboard pages on it, what are all double-sided, so you technically do have 10 sides that you can go and constantly use. And they're both protected by the smudge protections, so that is always great. Now the next thing I will be talking about over here is how you can write on the book itself, what is very portable, and over here I write subscribe, and it is very smooth to go ahead and write what you should go ahead and do if you are liking the content. Now erasing it is also just as easy, very smooth, and great to go ahead and use. The next thing I do go ahead and write is this is really cool, because it is really cool, and that you can use this as many times as you want, as since it is a whiteboard, and if you have ever used any sort of whiteboard, you know that you can use it as many times as you want as long as you go ahead and erase it in the end. And you can do that with the eraser on the back of the actual dry erase marker, or getting your own eraser, or the NEWYES cloth. Now I say that this is actually really great, as if you ever do want to go ahead and save anything that you do go ahead and write or draw, just go ahead and take a photo of it, as it is just that easy and you're not wasting any papers or trees like that. And I really do say that the NEWYES notebook is actually a really great notebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications, as I post every Monday and Thursday. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.